here, and today we're going to discuss something very important. But first, I need to get a snack. Tunis and Hope today, and today we're going to discuss a new idea. Anyways, this is my sour head. Wonder why is it sour head? Because we're going to tomorrow we're going to test it. And after this video and after and after after on I'll make another video tomorrow about this idea because I can discuss it now. But I will do it. Anyways, we're here. The sour head. And also make another finger here and try to tie it up on the side. Because you can do it like this. And make little holes under here. So we will be resourceful. It's kind of a little bit fast because it will be slower. But indeed it is not a surface. Okay? Because if you're tired, if you're just tired enough and you're done with your shower, the remaining water in here still going, you can do like this so all of the water will come out. And what that is doing, he's looking at me. Anyways, this is how the discuss of the idea will be built. Because you can also do this because because this is be resourceful. And also we can make little holes on here. That is worth the suffering. And then here, this medium sized water will come to your head, and boom, we're going to get a big blast. Ever since then, we're going to do this tomorrow, and I will show you how it works tomorrow because my dad will actually build this because he's a professional builder. Anyways, let me show you my shower. This is where it's going to be built. But also I need to leave no soon. You better not see anything. Okay, done. Now back to the discussing of the idea. So this is where it's going to be built. Because we're using buckets and it's kind of very fast because your head will just like that. So we decided to make one because I discussed the idea. So hopefully you enjoyed it and hopefully you like my idea. And I will show you my imagined how it works. That's my video, how it works. And hopefully you like it. And I will go. I want to show you my marbles, but I cannot show you because they're being appropriate. Anyways, that's kind of scared, so I will make a silly thing. I hope you enjoyed it, and like and subscribe. And hopefully you love my video. Excited.
Tahu si Buko, ikaw matawag